it's also important to find joy in whatever you
Yes,
do.
absolutely right. It is soft corner Bangalore. लोग आते थे देखते थे ये लोग क्या करता है बैठ करके खाली घुमाते रहता है और आउटपुट कुछ दिखता नहीं है. Right decade of innovation, building skill, opportunity, everyone is there.
Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Tech with Sukan. Today, we have a very amazing leader. He is one of my role models. I have been, he has been kind of a mentor to me for a very long time as well. Been into industry for almost 30 years, sir.
32 years.
32 years to be precise now. And spent a lot of time with Tata Technologies. Right now, he is working as a CTO with Indian Register of Shipping and transforming them into the digital landscape where it should have been by now, right? And see, the best thing about Ravindra sir is, that he has seen this entire tech transformation over 3 decades of his professional journey, right? And that's what we'll be talking about, with him today, about his journey, his learnings, how he has seen the tech landscape changing over time. So, welcome to our podcast, sir, and thank you so much for taking time for this. You have been an inspiration for so many people. Uh, would like to, hear something about yourself from the horse's mouth itself.
Thank you so much, Sukant, for inviting me for this podcast. I'm really happy to be here, and and thank you getting engaged in the conversation. So you rightly said, in the more than 3 decades of experience, I come with the age when we are not talking about any digital technology.
Right, correct.
Right.
Mhm.
In fact, when I was doing the engineering at that time, probably I have not touched the real computer. So in the last 3 decades, we just started from the scratch and built the entire the technology, the many customers, and many skilling has been done. So
Right. Nice, nice. So, why don't you tell a little bit about, your when you were young, your school time, how you were as a student, and what do you think was very pivotal for you? What led you to become what you are right now?
thanks for Sukant asking this question. Right, when I was doing the schooling and studying, right, at that time, going to the school, I was feeling, oh, bhag jate hain, oh, why to go? So I was always coming out from the home, going to the school, but I was missing many classes. So I'm talking about those days. But how the changes happened by right, thanks to my mother, right. She had in the inspiration and keeps promoting. She was not well educated, but she wanted to that my sons and daughters should study more and more, and one day he should become an engineer, right. That is always inspiring me, bring in front of me, and that made me know the hard working study, because we are not the financially we are not very strong, right. So it's also that what we learn, what we adopt, what we deliver, how we clear the exams and all, that motivated it. One nice things which happened when I was doing the 10+2, right. So because of that, not very financially strong, I used to teach my the classmates, and used to
Acha,
my
okay.
classmates, and I was earning. I remember 200 per students. I used to get
Arre,
it, right.
wow, wow.
That's why I struggled hard work. And what my father did it, right. He created a tali wala ghar, na, the tile wala ghar. So I was just behind the house studying that. But those are the things you paid up now. So this what is my motivation.
So, अभी जैसे कि अभी से 32 years पहले everyone was talking about या तो यूपीएससी कर लो, गवर्नमेंट जॉब कर लो, या मतलब कुछ भी, सबको एक सिक्योर जॉब चाहिए होती थी, राइट. यू गो फॉर अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब, यू गो फॉर सम सिक्योर काइंड ऑफ जॉब. Private jobs was not that much, people didn't consider it good that much, right? From what I understand, I might be wrong. तो what made you, आपने कभी सोचा नहीं कि मुझे भी सरकारी नौकरी करनी चाहिए या फिर यूपीएससी कर लेना चाहिए? एंड वो भी जब यूपी बिहार में तो मोस्टली सबका माइंडसेट ही यही होता है, सक्सेस का पैरामीटर ही यही है कि यार यूपीएससी कर लिया या कोई सरकारी नौकरी कर ली. तो उस टाइम पर आपने इतना बोल्ड स्टेप कैसे लिया, गोइंग टू अ प्राइवेट सेक्टर?
थैंक्स फॉर आस्किंग. इनफैक्ट मेरा भी माइंडसेट कुछ ऐसा ही था उस
अच्छा.
वक्त में. बट क्या हुआ कि जब मैं इंजीनियरिंग जब पास कर रहा था ना, तो मुझे जॉब की बहुत ज़रूरी थी, बहुत ज़रूरी थी। मैं लाइक अदर्स, बट उन लोगों से भी ज़्यादा मुझे जॉब की ज़रूरी थी। तो मुझे किसी भी तरह से जॉब चाहिए था। एंड तो एंड यू नो वर्किंग विद द टाटा, एंड so Tata was at the time visiting for the campus interview. So I very strongly, strategically did that all kind of planning how I can clear that, right? So and to just to touch upon that, and my seniors were doing the technical, the interview, mock up, question answer. They were helping. So in the evening in my room, people were coming helping me to write. "Tum technical ऐसे तैयार करो." They were helping me.
अच्छा.
I had a person who is currently is one of the leading news channel. He used to guide me on that how to do prepare for the group discussions.
Nice.
So this were like that way we prepared it, and very strategic. ये करेंगे, and there were around 15 levels of selection, and then I cracked it. Then again mindset goes back like you said, ना मुझे यूपीएससी करना है, इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज करना है.
Right.
तो मैंने आकर के जब when I joined Tata Motors 92, so at studying home, I was doing kind of a preparation for engineering services. But you know, when you take up something, you become very focused onto that because you need to deliver work. So I got little bit defocused from there. So I said, now Tata is a very safe, secure, and nice human organization. So I focus that and build the entire career in around Tata Group.
तो कोई रिग्रेट ऐसा नहीं है कि यार ये कर लेते तो शायद कुछ और होती लाइफ? कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता है? You never felt something around that direction?
ये वेरी राइट क्वेश्चन. मन में आता था कि ये करना था, क्योंकि माई वाइफ वांटेड मी टू कि यू शुड बी ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, यू शुड बी इन इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज टॉप. इनफैक्ट उसने अपने पैसे से मुझे टेबल चेयर खरीद करके दिया कि नहीं बेटा तुम यहीं पर पढ़ो और तुमको टेबल चेयर तभी नहीं वो स्टडी रहता. तो दैट लेवल दैट. बट समटाइम्स व्हेन यू वर्क इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एंड यू स्टार्ट डूइंग वेल एंड टाटा मोटर्स, तो वो समय काफ़ी फोकस रहते थे और करते थे. तो फिर मेरा बोला कि नहीं, लो लेट्स फोकस ऑन दिस एंड बिग लाइक इट, because I was started doing very well there in Tata Motors at that point of time.
Right. आपको एक जर्नी दिख गई कि
Yes.
this is something, you know, this is not less than, क्योंकि इनिशियली शायद पता नहीं था. You always believe जो आप सुन रहे होते हो बाकी लोगों से, but when you are in the system you realize कि यार नहीं, this is also something, you know, which is very nice. यहाँ पर you can also create, because from what I know you always wanted to create an impact, right? तो वो भी आपने देखा कि यार this is where I can create that kind of impact, so that's the reason you dropped that plan.
Yes. So you rightly said. When I dropped that plan of going for the traditional way, where we come at the background, then I started focusing that, and I see the tremendous opportunity. When you take the opportunity and solve it, and then grow the next. And then people give a lot of responsibility because you need to demonstrate your responsibility.
Correct.
I remember I started my career from the die shop of Ford's division. तो डाई सब में उसमें EDM सिंकिंग, डाई कटिंग वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद में मेरे बॉसेस जो थे, बिग बॉसेस थे, अरे वो बंदा है, इसको लिप स्प्रिंग सस्पेंशन में काम करने. देन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन कोड डिजाइनिंग द सस्पेंशन. उसमें इनोवेशंस किया, ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट क्रिएटेड इन माय द OEM. उसके बाद में फिर न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी आया ना, एडॉप्शन में आया. तो आई वॉज ऑलवेज अपटेंट कि नहीं मुझे करना है, बहुत कुछ करना है और इस पर ग्रो करना है. सो आई वॉज ऑलवेज हंग्री कि wherever I smell opportunity, I go and grab it,
Right.
and make the customer success. So
Yeah.
that's why we did it.
Right. Talking about customer success, you joined Tata Technologies when it was at a very nascent stage of that .com bubble के भी पहले की बात है, right? उस टाइम तक कोई टेक के बारे में तो सोचता भी नहीं था कि वो पॉसिबिलिटीज भी हैं. So सर, जैसे आपने when you joined Tata Technologies, so at that point of time there were just 7,000 8,000 folks, और आपने वो पूरी जर्नी देखी है, वो 7,000 8,000 से 3 लाख 4 लाख का ओवरऑल एम्प्लॉई में जो ग्रो करा है टाटा टेक्नोलॉजीज. एंड हाउ, सो व्हाट आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू कि हाउ डू यू थिंक द ओवरऑल टेक लैंडस्केप हैज चेंज्ड फ्रॉम वेयर इट वाज 3 decades बैक एंड फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज राइट नाउ. और उस टाइम पर यू हैव वर्किंग विद विजनरीज लाइक रतन टाटा एंड द likes of him, right? तो उस टाइम पर क्या people were able to visualize कि जो अभी है वैसा हो जाएगा अगले 2 या 3 decade में?
Fantastic question, Pranta. I'll answer in two parts. So just before joining Tata Technology, moving to Tata Technology, so we were using the technology, engineering software for designing the forging process and die designing. तो सॉफ्टवेयर था,
हम लोग उसको यूज करते थे तो उसे मैक्सिमाइज आउटपुट नहीं करना, क्योंकि हम लोग भी सीख रहे थे। तो हम लोग उसको कैड मॉडल बनाकर 3D मॉडल रोटेट करते थे, लिखते थे। लोग आते थे, देखते थे, लोग क्या करता है, बैठ करके खाली घुमाते रहता है और आउटपुट कुछ दिखता नहीं है। देन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, राइट? तो उसके बाद में हम लोग क्या किया कि धीरे-धीरे हम लोगों ने सीखा और सबसे पहले उसका फॉलोइंग प्रोसेस डिजाइन किया वगैरह किया। उसका ड्राइंग ही बनाते थे। देन वी आर अमंग द फर्स्ट जो कि आजकल जी कोड जनरेट करते हैं सीएस और कॉमन थिंग। हम लोगों ने पहली बार जी कोड जनरेट किया और लकड़ी को पहले काटा, वुड वी कट इट, वुड कट इट, एंड देन वी प्रूव दिस टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर द डाई कटिंग एंड ऑल, एंड वी बिकम द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. So and then Tata Technology, it was felt that we should form Tata Technology separate company. So at that time, the visionary leader, Mr. Tata, felt that those who are working for the Tata Motors, especially engineering space, CAD CAM space or IT, they should be transferred to form a new company called Tata Technology at that time. It was formed. So those who are working for the Tata Motors, then they joined that with the objective that we learn something new here, we take it to the world,
और
we learn.
these Tata Motors वगैरह से customers बन गए.
हाँ, they become our customers. But we at that time we were doing the same work at the same places. वहीं पे बैठ कर कोई काम करते थे. But we started with a very few employees, means maybe in hundreds only. So I'm among one of the founding member of Tata Technology. So from there, then from there we got exposure to take this learning to the global customer. But Tata Motors remains always the prime customer. So a lot of things which we learn, that learning is in fact set the foundation for Tata Technology to grow inside Tata Motors and go beyond the Tata Motors.
Just for cost of ownership, man, because जो narrative build करा जाता है, that is electric means going green.
So anyway, we are producing and recharging, but the production of the source of energy, that is also some green. So that is also renewable. So that is the sun source is there. So those are things.
जैसे जो lithium battery है, right? उस lithium का mining बहुत ही, it's a very dirty process of mining of lithium. और उसके बाद उसका refinement is also a very dirty process. Basically जो mining और refinement है, create lot of pollution. और जब उसका डंपिंग होता है, जब उसकी लाइफ खत्म हो जाती है लिथियम बैटरी, तो दैट डंपिंग आल्सो पोल्यूट्स द एनवायरनमेंट. तो जो ओवरऑल माय पॉइंट है, जो ओवरऑल पूरा नैरेटिव है कि लिथियम अगर हम बैटरीज के थ्रू करते हैं, कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक लेते हैं, तो हम वी आर गोइंग ग्रीन. तो मुझे बस ये लगता है कि वी आर एक्चुअली नॉट गोइंग ग्रीन. हमें बस सामने में हमने सारा साफ कर, कचरा पीछे कर दिया. पहले कचरा भी सामने था और वो सामने था, इसलिए हमें लगता था. जस्ट अ परसेप्शन, चेंज ऑफ परसेप्शन इज व्हाट आई फील.
So that's why sustainability comes in picture. Not a 17 SDGs goals and nowadays we are all automotive CEOs dashboard is top is that whatever product you design, whatever the supply chain building, support the partners are building, you need to rethink the entire thing. How we can use the recycled, reusable material so that we do not go to the mine, take the raw material and scrap it. So process is getting that same scrap at the end of the cycle, material recycle we used to put into that. So there are many things, and this is a lot of memory. If you see any OEM, they are focused, and this is a big opportunity for technology to adopt. So they are going component by component. If this is a component, if it is a metal, can I replace it? Can I what recycle material? That level target is there, and every one dashboard is about the time 2030 we will achieve something like this. And this is not limited to the design only. Right. This is the entire value chain, production plant where the net carbon emissions to be minimized, developed. It's a big impact, big emergency, and it is monitored by the United Nations, and we have signed for that.
It is big. We need to move fast given the pace at which climate change is happening right now versus at the pace at which we are moving ourselves. There is a huge gap in that. वहाँ पे थोड़ा तेज बढ़ने के लिए रेगुलेटर्स को सबको साथ में नहीं आना चाहिए.
No, उसमें absolutely right. So UN is playing the role. That role is being playing. So, for example, one is that awareness. A lot of awareness sessions are being created. Yeah, now we need to do it. Second, this is not a ready-made solution which you can just plug and play. Right? So, a lot of innovations are going. A lot of investments are going. Then people are coming. My 10% part I will do. 5% part I will do. So that's the vision is there. So that's why it is taking time, and it will take time. But lot of you will have to say that they're bringing Net for technology, collaborate industry to come forward and then collaborate together to do the kind of knowledge sharing. Lighthouse projects are one of the great examples. If you are learning, adopting it, how it can be communicated. So all this ecosystem very well is placed, but it will take time because everything has to be innovated. This right decade of innovation, building, skill, opportunity, everyone is there, right?
But the concern यही है कि it shouldn't get too late by the time it actually gets on track.
नहीं उसमें क्या है ना people are talking लोग डेट की बात करते हैं मैं 2030 तक पब्लिश है गो टू द किसी भी कंपनी का ऑटोमोटिव का एग्जांपल लेंगे तो उसमें दिखे मैं 2030 तक मैं इतना अचीव करने आऊंगा बिकॉज आई हैव वर्कड विद द टॉप 15 ऑटोमोटिव रिसेंटली तो सबके में सब दिखता है सबका क्या प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है क्या प्रोडक्ट को डिजाइन कर रहा है कैसे इट्स ऑल विजिबल and then you have to declare and deploy that is the now value selling they are talking about
Right. सही है.
and we spoke about the lithium में क्या है उसको रिसेल में काफी रिसर्च वर्क चल रही है and a lot of innovation की उसका अल्टरनेट किया है so these are all place of business this is again a great time to create a AI but time will come where all this will get but it will take time sometime but things are happening
At least वो awareness.
people are adoptions you see the last few years production it is going up right
बहुत ज़्यादा 5 साल के पिछले 2-3 साल में मुझे लगता है कि एक्सपोनेंशियल चेंज हो गया है सब कोई ईवी की तरफ मूव कर रहा है इनफैक्ट अब रोड्स पे जितनी गाड़ियां दिखती है 5 साल के हुआ पिछले 1 साल 2 साल में मुझे लगता है 10-20% cars being sold as EVs right now.
Absolutely. And you see, BYD, Build Your Dreams car, China और Tesla, they are high selling electric. मैंने टेस्ला को कम से कम 1000 माइल्स ड्राइव किया है. इतनी देखेंगे when you compare with IC इंजन तो पहले तो पार्ट काउंट घट जाते हैं, स्पेस भी बढ़ जाते हैं और पार्ट काउंट घट जाते हैं तो आपका कॉस्ट भी कम होते हैं. तो अभी क्या हो रहा है कि apart from this sustainability we call it the computer on wheels. तो अभी पूरा कंप्यूटर ही व्हील्स पे है उसका सारा डेवलपमेंट ऑटोनोम फिजिकल टच ऑटो ऑनलाइन उसका इंस्टॉलेशन करते हैं उसका अपग्रेड्स देते हैं और ग्रेट इनोवेशन सेल्फ ड्राइविंग व्हीकल ADAS डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ इंप्लीमेंटेशन इट्स अ ह्यूज इनोवेशंस आर हैपनिंग सो
लेकिन अभी भी इट्स नॉट अफोर्डेबल जो ईवी में जो अफोर्डेबल कार फॉर इंस्टेंस अगर हम इंडिया में देखें तो वो टाटा ही है टाटा का नेक्सॉन या फिर टियागो की ईवी जो कार्स है वही 10-15 लाख के रेंज में आती है अदरवाइज बाकी सारी गाड़ियां जो थोड़ी सी अच्छी हैं जो पीपल विल अडॉप्ट आर सुपर एक्सपेंसिव.
awareness has to be created, right? So if you do the total cost of ownership calculation, so always is better to go for the electric vehicle, right?
But just for cost of ownership, man, because जो narrative build करा जाता है, that is electric means going green.
हाँ, so anyway we are producing and recharging it, but the production of the source of energy that is also some green. So that is also renewable. So that is a sun source is there. So those are things.
जैसे जो lithium battery है, right? उस lithium का mining बहुत ही it's a very dirty process of mining of lithium. और उसके बाद उसका refinement is also a very dirty process. Basically जो mining और refinement है create lot of pollution. और जब उसका dumping होता है, जब उसकी life खत्म हो जाती है lithium battery की, तो that dumping also pollutes the environment. तो जो ओवरऑल माय पॉइंट है जो ओवरऑल पूरा नैरेटिव है कि लिथियम अगर हम बैटरीज के थ्रू करते हैं कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक लेते हैं तो हम वी आर गोइंग ग्रीन तो मुझे बस ये लगता है कि वी आर एक्चुअली नॉट गोइंग ग्रीन हमें बस सामने में हमने सारा साफ करके कचरा पीछे कर दिया पहले कचरा भी सामने था और वो सामने था इसलिए हमें लगता था जस्ट द परसेप्शन चेंज ऑफ परसेप्शन इज व्हाट आई फील.
So that's why sustainability comes in picture. हमारे 17 SDGs goals है ना and nowadays we are all automotive CEOs dashboard is top is that whatever product you design whatever the supply chain building support the partners are building you need to rethink the entire thing right. How we can use the recycled reusable material so that we do not go to the mine and take the raw material and scrap it. So process is gain that same scrap at the end of the cycle material recycle we used to put into that. So there are many things and this is a lot of evidence. If you see any OEM they are focused and this is a big opportunity for technology to adopt. So they are going component by component. This is a component. If it is a metal, can I replace it? Can I what recycle material? That level target is there, and every dashboard is about the time 2030 they will achieve something like that. And this is not limited to the design only.
Right.
It is to the entire value chain, production plant where net carbon needs to be minimized, developed. It's a big impact, big emergency, and it is monitored by the United Nations, and we have signed for that.
But
It is
आपको
big.
लगता नहीं we need to move fast given the pace at which climate change is happening right now versus at the pace at which we are moving ourselves. There is a huge gap in that. वहाँ पे थोड़ा तेज बढ़ने के लिए रेगुलेटर्स को सबको साथ में नहीं आना चाहिए.
No, उसमें absolutely right. So UN is playing the role. That role is being playing. So, for example, one is that awareness. Lot of awareness sessions are being created. Yeah, now we need to do it. Second, this is not ready-made solution which you can just plug and play,
सही
right?
बात है ना.
So, lot of innovations are going. So, lot of investments are going. Then people are coming. My 10% part I will do. 5% part I will do. So that's the vision is there. So that's why it is taking time, and it will take time. But lot of United Nations that they're bringing necessary for technology, collaborate industry to come forward, and then collaborate together to do the kind of knowledge sharing. Lighthouse projects is one of the great example. If you are learning, adopting it, how it can be communicated. So all this ecosystem very well is placed, but it will take time because everything has to be innovated. This is right decade of innovations, building skill, opportunity. Everyone is there, right?
But the concern यही है कि it shouldn't get too late by the time it actually gets on track.
नहीं उसमें क्या है ना, people are talking, लोग डेट की बात करते हैं. मैं 2030 तक पब्लिश है. गो टू द किसी भी कंपनी का ऑटोमोटिव का एग्जांपल लेंगे तो उसमें दिखेगा कि मैं 2030 तक मैं इतना अचीव करने होगा. बिकॉज आई हैव वर्कड विद द टॉप 15 ऑटोमोबाइल रिसेंटली. तो सबके में सब दिखता है, सबका क्या प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है, क्या प्रोडक्ट को डिजाइन कर रहा है, कैसे. इट्स ऑल विजिबल and they need to declare and deploy. That is the now value selling they are talking about.
Right. सही है.
And we spoke about the lithium. Lithium में कमी कि उसको रीसेल में काफी रिसर्च वर्क चल रही है, and a lot of innovation की उसका alternate किया है. So these are all place of learning. And this is again a great time of create of AI. But time will come where all this will get, but it will take time sometime. But things are happening.
At least वो awareness आ रही है.
Awareness are people are done.
सही बात.
Adoptions, if you see the last few years production, it is going up. Right?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Going up.
बहुत ज़्यादा. 5 साल क्या पिछले 2-3 साल में मुझे लगता है कि एक्सपोनेंशियल चेंज हो गया है.
हाँ.
सब कोई ईवी की तरफ मूव कर रहा है. इनफैक्ट अब रोड्स पे जितनी गाड़ियाँ दिखती है 5 साल छोड़ो, अब पिछले 1 साल 2 साल में मुझे लगता है 10-20% cars being sold are EVs right now.
Yeah. Absolutely. And you see, BYD, Build Your Dreams car vehicle of China or Tesla, they are high selling electric vehicle. मैंने टेस्ला को कम से कम 1000 माइल्स ड्राइव किया है. इफ यू देखेंगे when you compare with IC इंजन, तो पहले तो पार्ट काउंट घट जाते हैं, स्पेस भी बढ़ जाते हैं, और पार्ट काउंट घट जाते हैं तो आपका कॉस्ट भी कम होते हैं. तो अभी क्या हो रहा है कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस सस्टेनेबिलिटी वी कॉल इट द कंप्यूटर ऑन व्हील्स. तो अभी पूरा कंप्यूटर ही व्हील्स पे है, उसका सारा डेवलपमेंट ऑटोनो फिजिकल टच ओटोपी ऑनलाइन उसका इंस्टॉलेशन करते हैं, उसका अपग्रेड्स देते हैं, और ग्रेट इनोवेशन, सेल्फ ड्राइविंग व्हीकल, ADAS related to different level of implementation. It's a huge innovations are happening. So
लेकिन अभी भी इट्स नॉट अफोर्डेबल. जो ईवी में जो अफोर्डेबल कार फॉर इंस्टेंस अगर हम इंडिया में देखें तो वो टाटा ही है. टाटा का नेक्सॉन या फिर टियागो की ईवी जो कार्स है वही 10-15 लाख के रेंज में आती है. अदरवाइज बाकी सारी गाड़ियाँ जो थोड़ी सी अच्छी हैं, जो पीपल विल अडॉप्ट, आर सुपर एक्सपेंसिव. सारे 40 लाख ऑन प्लस वाले रेंज पर ही ये सारी
नहीं, ये क्या होता है कि कोई भी जब इनोवेशन इनिशियल इन्वेस्ट कॉस्ट इज हाई, बिकॉज इफ यू सी द एंटायर बैटरी में, वहाँ पर सारा पैसे जाते हैं. So when we come to balance करेगा तो डाउन द लाइन, जैसे कि टाटा ने कम किया तो दूसरे लोग भी कम होंगे. तो ये भी रेंज बढ़ा रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी इनोवेशंस हो रही है, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल्स दे यूज कर रहे हैं. सो ओवर द पीरियड विल हैपन. इनिशियली इट हैपेंस.
सही है. नाइस. हो गया
चलिए,
सेटल.
हाँ जी. आपका जो भी कन्वर्सेशन था वो भी रिकॉर्ड है.
So टाटा ने ये 2 यूनिट्स बनाई क्यों? टाटा टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड TCS. व्हाई नॉट वन?
So that's a nice question people generally ask is right. So I explained the purpose of why for what Tata Technology was formed. They came out from the Tata Motors and this formed right. So if you see the Tata Technology, our core domain, technology expertise, are very high in automotive space.
Got it.
Very very high. Then whether that we build the aerospace, then industry heavy machinery. So that's what engineering center. So we know the very well that. But like Tata Consulting, they are also in the good. They also work on the automotive, but they have got many other sectors they work
It's more
solutions.
sector agnostic हो जाता है TCS, and this is more on the automotive और mechanical वाले side पर machinery के in and around there. अच्छा, got it. So जैसे कि Tata Technologies में what has been the most challenging role or journey for you? मतलब what has been the most exciting and challenging journey for you, role for you, work for you?
That's a nice question. In fact, when we work, जब हम लोग काम करते हैं तो challenges आते हैं, but we find a solution. When you talk about say it's a couple of top, challenging was that we built the truck truck for racing, right?
अच्छा.
तो उसमें क्या है कि a group of people with the focus objective to demonstrate the vehicles, innovative vehicles, technology adoption for the futures. We build the truck, design and develop the work with a very limited time, with limited people inside the house, build the entire technology, develop the product, and demonstrate that product in the Buddha circuit and racing.
Okay.
So that was a very teamwork.
Truck.
All it's in that
Buddha
truck.
circuit.
Yes, Buddha circuit.
Okay.
And we clicked that 160 किलोमीटर पर आवर in 9.2 सेकंड उस तरह का प्रोडक्ट बनाया. तो
Okay.
उसमें जो प्रोजेक्ट उसमें जो चैलेंजेस आए उसको जो हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया और पूरा टीम इंटायर टुगेदर टीम एफर्ट एंड जो बिल्ड किया दिस अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. बहुत सारे उसमें चैलेंज है, डिजाइन पार्ट नहीं है, कैसे होगा टाइम फ्रेम में, बट डेट इज फिक्स राइट. Very limited time we built it. So that's one of the amazing project I always admire.
Got it. मुझे एक बात बताओ रविंद्र सर, जैसे कि अभी when you see so many young professionals, right, the moment they get into their professional journey, उनका हमेशा they have this question कि how can I become a VP, a CTO, और शुरू से ये होता है कि मुझे ना टीम मैनेज करनी है, राइट. दे आर वेरी एस्पिरेशनल एंड समटाइम्स वेरी इम्प्रैक्टिकल एज वेल कि हम डायरेक्टली A से हम Z पे कैसे पहुंच जाए, राइट. प्लस इफ यू लुक एट पीपल हु हैव अचीव्ड समथिंग, हु आर एक्चुअली सक्सेसफुल, दे हैव शोन लॉट ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी और बहुत ही एक ऑर्गेनिक टाइप की ग्रोथ हुई है. मोस्टली जितने लोगों को मैं देखता हूँ ना कि दे आर एट सम प्लेस और आर सक्सेसफुल, they have not planned for it. It just happened for them. They just happened to be at the right place at right time, and plus obviously they were very passionate and they enjoyed what they enjoyed doing, and they didn't plan कि मुझे ना ये कर लेना है, इस टाइम तक कर लेना है, by the time of 40 I want to retire, by the time of 35 I want to become a CEO of a company. They don't plan all this. Versus जो अभी का जनरेशन, उनको ये सारा कुछ चाहिए पहले से डिसाइडेड कि क्या क्या होना है मेरे साथ, and they want कि यार वो उनके हिसाब से वो सारी चीजें होती भी जाए. तो what are your thoughts around this?
No, it's a fantastic question, and we should always look at that whatever we learn, and then we grow in that. It has to be sustainable growth, right? We can do something, we can gain some growth, but is it that sustainable?
Correct.
This is one. Second, you can reach to that young generation, but there is a lot of challenge because some of the basics things which we should adopt and learn, then you go ahead, then you can sustain it. Couple of things I would like to highlight, maybe the 5 points. One is that when we work on technology, we must know about the domain, subject of the sector, subject of the domain, a subject matter expert.
Right.
Then you bring the technology to adopt that, how you can do the faster time to market, and that technology help me to deliver fast. So this has to be blend, and so it's very important that both technology and domain blend has to go together. Then separate. Otherwise, always there will be a gap. When you interact with the customer, you face the challenges. One point. Second point, जो टेक्नोलॉजी जब आप किसी कस्टमर के होते हैं, and if
if you're working on some challenges, so we should focus on understanding the challenges of the customer, plan a solution with the domain and technology, and provide them, make them success, make them success. Don't at the initial point don't think कि मैं एक gain कर दूंगा ये हो जाऊंगा. If you do that in the first stage, customer is for you. Whatever you will suggest, but you create a small success for them, and then trust relation is built, right?
Absolutely.
So that's help you to the growth, right? So this is the practices we adopted that learn, make the customer happy, and it just becomes even happy. That is a byproduct of your growth, right? It's your growth. If you do that, help it, वो अपने आप ऊपर जाएंगे up the ladder by far. No one can stop it.
लेकिन ये चीज ना अभी के टाइम पर so when I work with lot of professionals, we hire a lot of guys, so they're very impatient, right? And I know कि आपको भी शायद कहीं ना कहीं पे लगता होगा. How do you think overall, you know, जो young professionals आते हैं with their first job has changed over time since आपने तो बहुत बारी you have seen this cycle, I'm assuming so many times, almost every year you see new freshers coming in, joining in. So what difference you see maybe, you know, a decade or 2 decade back versus the kind of people you are getting as freshers?
One thing we must appreciate, these young generations are young generations, the way they think, the way they look at the same problem in a different way. They also come with the very, very innovative ideas, and we appreciate it.
Correct.
Because in an organization, they are the pulse of that. You need to keep them, monitor them, track them, make them grow. So they are also very good. And what I adopt the principle that this young set of people should be embedded in the core team of the organization. So in the process, they learn it, adopt it, and they grow. So something which probably they are missing it out in terms of domain or in terms of the best practice in the way of that we should execute and deliver. They keep on learning. So that's it. But these people bring altogether this young generation a different thing for on the table. You should adopt it into it. I agree with that. There are little impatient in the faster growth, etc. But that is also important. They should do it, but they should also plan their career stepwise. You do this, then climb it. They do this in the planet. That's my request to message to all of you. Don't jump to the light, because if you jump to that, then if you sit back, then you will fall flat. So always follow is that some methodology, step by step you learn both of them and then grow it. And because what customer likes is, customer likes your position. No, customer knows what value is. When you engage with the customer, what you are talking,
right.
when you're talking, customer sells you. What do you have?
Mhm.
If you have that, then you get. I will give an example. I was working for one OEM in aerospace, right? So the first meeting we had a formal presentation, right? Customer makes it out, I'm talking genuinely, I'm not talking genuinely. So they can respond, this person has done with his team is a lot good work. Then immediately they felt that, and if somebody else who is the top is not very well, he will not able to understand the problem, he will not be able to actually give the solution. कि आप ऐसे करिए, ऐसे बात करिए, ऐसे conversation element. Because you have to be engaging customer. Second meeting, he called me, he give the POC. Please do a POC. Then we build a team and we camped there. It's a dedicated that this is the problem, we'll solve it and resolve it. And third steps, we executed the project and presented the customer, and the customer was saying, I have got only 5 minutes time, right, to sell. But when we presented it, the work came on viral and we gave the $1 million order.
Wow.
So that's the spirit. Very strategic planning, building the team, and then growth is there. So if the young youngster passes through the certain steps, that helps to make their footstep very, very strong, and then sky is yours.
Right. Abhi aapne, you know, just mentioned that, you know, being genuine, right, in your conversation with anyone, and you know, and talking about the value that you're bringing to the table. So what do you think? There are a lot of people come with two different school of thoughts. Number one, the kind of people who think that be transactional in nature, because end of the day you are doing business with the other person. The other person is also seeing value, so be very blunt about the kind of value you are bringing in, and more transactional in nature. The second school of thought is, you know, be more organic and be more genuine and try to empathize with your end users. So and I think पहले के टाइम पे मोस्टली क्या होता था, दैट वाज मोर ऑफ अ मिक्स ऑफ बोथ. ये दोनों अलग अलग नहीं होते थे. People used to think business, but at the same point of time, people used to build a lot of relationships and empathize with their end customers as well. So, what do you think? Which works best, and in what kind of situation you should be more empathetic, more genuine, and in what kind of situation you should be more transactional in nature? It could be anything: dealing with a customer, or dealing with a client, or your boss, employees, anyone.
Absolutely right. When we talk about the transactionals, this kind of point of person, so it depends on the kind of business you are in, right? If you are the kind of that business कि हमको बस ये deliver करना है, where everything is packaged and you are just giving it to that. So that's one aspect. But if you want to sustain, you have got a vision of grow, then you need to have a kind of collaborative, not transactional. You need to make a strategy, you need to build the solution, and then you develop the solution and deliver. That's where that the growth will happen. So is always is that look at the holistic picture, make a strategy, and where you want to do, it will always give you the path to go ahead, right?
Got it. So basically, when you say, if you are being transactional, if you are looking for a one-time transaction, or you don't want to build a very long-term relationship, be transactional, deliver the value and step out. But if you're planning to build a long-term relationship, then it's better to get into their shoes and talk.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what's the value creation. That's the value, and then you grow organically. You'll grow like anything because you are really solving problems. But sometimes in the journey, some capability skill you are not having. Then you need to acquire
Right.
and bring that technology and grow up because you are feeling the handicap when you are delivering it. So that time it is required to really bring those aspects into the picture and then collaborate together to take the fight. Sometime back you asked a question. At the time, technology, what was there in the 25 years now? Technology has also evolved. They have
Right.
also matured, right? Based on our learning, a lot of our feedback has gone to them. Take an example. Earlier, technology was the point solution. ये करते थे. लेकिन अभी क्या हो गया है? सॉफ्टवेयर क्या कोलैबोरेटिव प्लेटफॉर्म अप्रोच देते हैं. लेकिन you can collaborate all feature functions. ये टीम आ जाएगा, ये solution भी है, ये solution भी है, and then seamless integration happen.
Correct.
A lot of newer plugins is going ahead. So everything is learning and then the growing. It's like domain, people grow, technology also has grown.
No, definitely. It has grown a lot. In fact, I think technology is also following the Murray's law. Right? It's kind of exponentially growing. I think just look at Gen AI. Gen AI, 1.5 year back, it was when OpenAI launched ChatGPT. And the way people are functioning right now, so much thing, I think after .com, after internet, .com के बाद Gen AI is one that technology which I see is being transitional and transformational in terms of evolution of jobs and evolution of how people typically operate on a day-to-day basis.
Absolutely agree with you. Gen AI is helping, and we should adopt in the process of learning and getting extract of that. But in parallel, we should also think of my way of thinking, my creativity that should also be remain. If you are not creative, not your thinking, you are making others to think, then your growth path will because end of the day you are what experience, what you are connecting the customer is a human to human. That's
Right.
match the trend.
Correct.
So both have got advantage, disadvantage, but you need to adopt right time with the right purposes. Otherwise, is the
No, that और अभी जैसे कि if I open LinkedIn right now, I'm sure अभी आप भी LinkedIn अपना खोलोगे, 7 out of 10 posts जो आपको दिखेंगे, that will be you'll get to you'll get to see, you understand कि ये ChatGPT से ही आया हुआ है. So there is a certain pattern, right? Use of so much of emojis, talking, being a little more fancy lines and stuff. तो पता चल जाता है कि ChatGPT से आया. People are killing it, and at the same point of time, अब क्या हो रहा है कि पहले ChatGPT बना या Gen AI बना. Now tools बन रहे to identify कि ये genuine है या Gen AI से आया हुआ है. So I think
so both the pros and cons. But end of the day, you see, all are creating an opportunity, right?
हाँ, correct.
It's all creating the opportunity and keeping excitement.
Correct.
So my only point that tool to be used for the right sense, ethical sense, and the second aspect is that you need to be very genuine to really do the genuine, your creativity should not be get killed. So both has to come together, and you need to adopt that, because this adopting, what happened, this will faster my time to market, faster doing the work, then quickly there. That's what the technology adoption is.
Right,
So
right.
both has to go parallel, right? Is my always my thoughts.
Right. Okay. Why did you quit Tata Technologies and joined IRS? After spending so much time there, what was that inflection point? What made you? What led you? Make this change?
Thank you so much for this asking question. If you see my career, 32 years, I have been always automotive, aerospace, that sector,
Correct,
steel and all. But when I look at the maritime or shipping industry, so I see that there was much more bigger, because other industries started long back and that's all matured, lot of things. But this sector, I felt that the area where my learning can be more contribute to this sector, and where probably, because this sector also has to grow. So adoption of technology, adoption of new thing, how this can benefit. So I felt that there's a great opportunity where I can contribute to expedite that journey. So because I always believe that the community or the sector where need my support, my experience, I'm for there. So that's what I changed my sector to this maritime, and I have started doing very well. Results are also coming up, and I see that times to come, lot of technology advantage, digitalization. I'm making vision for the times to come, and we will see that that's also transformation is happening.
Right. मतलब आप इतना टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद लोग typically comfortable हो जाते हैं. People are very scared of making that change. Plus you have spent so much time in Bangalore. Now you have moved to Mumbai. So wasn't this scary? Or forget about you, right? You have spent so much time at one organization. मैं तो यंग लोगों को देखता हूँ, अगर कोई दिल्ली में है तो फिर they don't want to move to any other place.
No, it's a fantastic. The first point is that when you join an organization, first time comes to the people. How are the people? Here people are so fascinating, so interesting. They are always ability to learn something new, adopt something new, and always cooperative, separating. Amazing team, right? So I don't feel that I'm from Jamshedpur or Bangalore. I'm given the same environment, like we know for the decades together. And we're talking, deliberating, adopting something, learning and taking on. That's the first thing which is happening. Second thing is that yes, everyone wants to grow. Everyone
Right.
wants to do something new, and something want to grow, because this will give the organization growth as well as the individual growth. So that ability is there, that is there, and our chairman has got a very nice vision. He inspired a lot, right? And he has set a vision. He keeps on saying, no, now we are talking about the next year, 2 years. How we can do for the next 10 years? How we can do the next 20 years? So we need to build the talent pool according to that to adopt the technology.
Correct, right.
And how we can go with the India and the globally. So that's all set environment I'm really enjoying, and because people will feel मैं इधर उधर गया वो क्या हुआ, लेकिन यहाँ पर सब इतना अच्छा environment है. I'm really enjoying and contributing, and you will see that some lot of things is going to come out.
How do you think shipping industry overall has been impacted with digital आने के बाद, and how do you see कि क्या उसमें changes आ सकते हैं? क्योंकि अभी I was reading somewhere कि autonomous ships आ गई हैं, that they can sell on their own and they can manage a lot of stuff. They don't need so much head count, right? For instance, अभी मरीन में ही इंजन को मैनेज करने के लिए there is an engine room, I guess, right? उसके लिए इतने सारे लोग चाहिए होते हैं. When they move to electric, then probably they will not need so much people. So how do you think, shipping getting transformed with the evolution of technology, both on the tech side as well as on the autonomous vehicle वाले side, the दोनों side?
Okay, no, fantastic question. There are a couple of aspects like you said. One is aspect purely engineering, design, development, and the construction and manufacturing, right? So that area, the good adoptions has happened into the your CPRs. They are adopting it. They are different technology, but when class comes, that how this class, which is the authority of your giving a certification or classification of the vehicle, so that collaboration is very very important.
Correct.
So there how the both side digital adoptions to be done smoothly. So that will take the same time and going to take. Second is like the cyber security. You are talking about autonomous vehicle. You are talking about autonomous shipping, sustainability, alternate fuel. So these are all work is happening, and progress people are making. Trials are going on, and you see that, and these are all opportunity again to all for us to work. So these are all development happening. So, and I will see the times to come. But when schools talk about the autonomous, there will be again different area to be targeted, right? So not hold together with them. Say, how can we do autonomous for the self parking when you come to the port, right? So that could be the one of the area which can be targeted, like going for the entire thing, selling and all. We call it operational excellence because fuel matters there a lot. So there are a lot of opportunities, lot of innovation things are going on. So this is exciting time for the maritime to really.
मेरे लिए क्या था ना what I was जैसे कि if you look at all the industries वहाँ पर lot of startups are coming, lot of innovation is happening. If we talk about automobiles, already lot of startups are coming. If we talk about digital, वो तो already है ही है, e-commerce, medical वगैरह, medical में भी healthcare वाले side पे भी lot of startups are coming in. In fact, on the aerospace side as well, lot of startups are coming in. ऑटोमोबाइल पर है, इनफैक्ट स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजीज पे भी स्पेस एक्स अमेजॉन ने भी कुछ करा था लॉन्च को गॉट द नेम, दे आर देयर. बट शिपिंग वाले साइड पर आई हैवंट सीन एनी न्यू एज कंपनीज कमिंग इन एंड वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स दैट. ऐसा क्यों है? कोई उतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है, बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है, या फिर ऐसा इनोवेशन का कुछ खास स्कोप नहीं है? दैट आई डोंट अग्री विद दैट. कभी भी इनोवेशन का स्कोप तो आई थिंक हमेशा होता ही होता है कुछ ना कुछ.
It's a fantastic point. I still need to explore in maritime. I can come back to it. But rightly said, there are a lot of challenges is there in the maritime also. If you look the entire whatever area we spoke about, right? And I think that everything CPR or the class cannot solve it, right? He doesn't have the time, right? So there to be more and more startup to be onboarded. This problem statement can be given to them to build the solution to solve the problem. So this triggers me that this should become my one of the action item also. Yes, startup to be given the more and more challenges, how they can solve. They can, like other sectors are doing, they should be onboarded, learn to do this. I can see that yes, the startup can really support to really solving the because today is the age of collaboration and partnership. Everyone
Obviously,
cannot do
right.
everything.
You can't do everything. करने अगर आप जाओगे भी तो यू आर गोइंग टू फेल मिजरेबली.
Yes.
राइट. मे बी शायद इन्वेस्टमेंट भी बहुत ज्यादा चाहिए. दैट्स आल्सो द रीजन दैट स्टार्टअप्स आर नॉट कमिंग. नहीं तो हर जगह ही है, इवन बैंक्स में भी अब स्टार्टअप्स आ गए हैं, नियो बैंक्स, द न्यू एज बैंकिंग. राइट. नो इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ. How are you liking Mumbai or Bangalore?
Yes, that's good. The first of all that मुझे जॉगिंग मैं करता हूँ, तो मेरा जस्ट जो पॉइल लेक है, it is a fantastic. Both sides, one side is the green, this side is like lake. So my first thing is protect. I can go anytime jog. I really enjoy. I have started that factory. The second is that in a lot of your stuffs are there, like for the eating, fooding, malls, the different vibes you get to go there. So that's so I'm still with my
metro plus वो lake के साथ वाला, it's a good
अच्छा
combination.
तो अभी और मुझे पेनिट्रेट करना है, तो बिकॉज ऑफ वेरी शॉर्ट आई एम जस्ट फोकसिंग करंटली ऑन सम ऑफ द प्रायोरिटी आइटम, बट आई एम रियली स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग. पीपल आर नाउ कमिंग एंड मीटिंग, तो इट्स ग्रोइंग दैट नेटवर्क एंड आई एम श्योर दैट आई एम रियली एंजॉयिंग. New place, different, because when I moved out from the Jamshedpur to the Bangalore, उस वक्त कैसे था ना, Bangalore to Mumbai moving is my way, अरे वहाँ काम कर सकते हैं और मजा कर रहे हैं. और उसका रोड, if you see the roads कितना अच्छे लगते हैं, you get a different vibes. और उसके बाद में and you can and enjoying the 10 rupees the vada pav on the road and the hotel, it's all a different flavor, right? So मजा आता है, whatever you want you can get. So काफी enjoy कर रहा हूँ, अच्छा लग रहा है.
See, I think it's also important to find joy in whatever you do.
Yes, absolutely right.
नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम तो हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ निकाल ही लेते हो.
You very right said that. Yes, सब चीज problem, but if you look at the other side, always two are this and this. So if you see other side, you will feel the enjoyment. Even the drinking a tea with the space and watch the nature, that's give you the other network, because that is encourage, motivate you, make you to think something and come back.
Right. नहीं सही है, nice sir. I think अभी that's all I had for now. It was very nice conversation. So what we'll do, एक छोटा सा थोड़ा एक fun session करेंगे. We'll do a rapid fire. I'll ask you few questions. You just have to answer which one you pick, right? So हम थोड़े easy वाले से start करते हैं. And then okay. So let us start. Ready? Okay. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
You are a night person or a morning person?
Morning person. 100% morning.
Okay. And Bangalore or Mumbai?
Little soft corner, Bangalore.
Trying hard to like Mumbai.
No, equally both are good, but Bangalore probably something edge is there. Because I mean, lot of network there.
Right.
That way, right?
Agile or waterfall?
As I always.
Okay. Tata or IRS?
Both are the for me is equally important. But yes, I learned lot of Tata. I have a high respect I do for them, which will remain always. For the entire ecosystem, entire leadership, the chairman and all. So it's always doing that. But here, that learning is giving the platform in average to really grow.
Startups or enterprises?
Earlier, I used to be enterprises. Now I am also something a startup. Yes.
Oh, that's nice. So, working style more as a leader, as a manager, what did you like more? Being manager, a leader, or an individual contributor, just an engineer working on your stuff?
Now the level which I come, I more work on the leader, and because that has to create a more impact. But sometimes in the leadership also, you need to act like a manager also, and at some point of time. So mostly in the leader, but sometimes you need to play the role of manager also for the need of the organization. So do it. It's all about leader.
Money or passion?
Passion. Money is not there. Passion is always there. That
Yes.
keeps people up.
Okay, that's all.
Thank you. Thanks, Sukant, for getting me engaged in the conversation.
It was a pleasure, sir.
Thank you. What I believe is that that we gain the experience over the decades and period. It is equally important that we share this learning to our young generation, the people, and our community and society where we live in. That gives a kind of for them to learn, adopt it, and to make their career in the future. So this is my one of the part. I'm passionate about it. I keep on doing that, sharing the knowledge with the other people. Thank you for just inviting me. This will give much more learnings to all the other viewers.
It was fun, sir. And thank you so much again for taking time for this. I'm sure it's going to inspire a lot of people and help a lot of other people to understand, how to navigate through their professional journeys. Thanks again.
Thank you.